Welcome travelers to this exploration of the enchanting island nation of Sri Lanka. Nestled in the Indian Ocean, Sri Lanka is often referred to as the Pearl of the Indian Ocean, and rightfully so. Today, we embark on a journey to discover the diverse landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and abundant wildlife that make this island a truly remarkable destination. Sri Lanka, a tear-shaped island south of India, is known for its captivating beauty and cultural richness. With a history spanning thousands of years, it has been a melting pot of civilizations, resulting in a unique blend of traditions, religions, and languages. One of the most striking features of Sri Lanka is its diverse landscapes. From pristine beaches along the coastline to lush green tea plantations in the central highlands, and dense tropical rainforests, the country offers a variety of natural wonders within a relatively small area. The cultural heritage of Sri Lanka is deeply rooted in history. The Cultural Triangle, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, includes ancient cities such as Anuradhapura, Polonnaruwa, and the iconic Sigiriya Rock Fortress. The city of Kandy, home to the Temple of the Sacred Tooth Relic, adds to the richness of Sri Lanka's cultural tapestry. Despite its size, Sri Lanka is recognized as a biodiversity hotspot. The island is home to a variety of wildlife, including elephants, leopards, and numerous bird species. National parks like Yala and Udawalawe provide incredible opportunities for wildlife enthusiasts. Sri Lanka boasts an extensive coastline with pristine beaches. Places like Marissa and Kalpetia are not only known for their golden sands but also offer opportunities for whale and dolphin watching, adding to the coastal beauty of the island. The central highlands of Sri Lanka are adorned with lush tea plantations. Take a journey to places like Nuwara Eliya to witness the picturesque landscapes of rolling hills covered in tea bushes. The Ceylon Tea Museum provides insight into the country's rich tea culture. Sri Lankan cuisine is a delight for the taste buds. Influenced by Indian, Arab, and colonial traditions, the food is a delicious fusion of flavors. Must-try dishes include the iconic rice and curry, hopper, and, of course, the delectable Ceylon tea.